In the dim light of a fading twilight, I found myself sprinting through a city that seemed both familiar and alien. The high-rise buildings towered over me, their glass facades reflecting the orange hue of a sun they never knew. Each footfall echoed along the cobbled streets, a percussive rhythm contrasting the whispering breezes that threaded through the alleyways. This city was a labyrinth of architecture, where Victorian spirals mingled with the sleek design of futuristic structures. The scent of fresh rain lingered in the air, mingling with the soothing aroma of lavender emanating from flower beds that edged the pathways. As I ran, heart pounding, I felt the city pulse with a life of its own. Neon signs flashed cryptic symbols, their meanings lost to me but tantalizingly close. Shadowy figures darted past, their faces blurred, as if the city itself refused to reveal its secrets. Turning a corner, I stumbled upon a marketplace, stalls brimmed with vibrant fruits and hand-woven textiles, their colors impossibly vivid against the muted backdrop of the architecture. The sellers, their voices harmonious and welcoming, offered goods that felt both exotic and comforting. Yet there was an urgency that propelled me onward, a feeling that I was racing against time itself. The sky overhead shifted, clouds morphing into silhouettes of fantastic creatures that blinked down at me with knowing eyes. And then the ground began to tremble, a subtle warning that the city was not what it seemed. Buildings started to dissolve, melting into pools of liquid silver, cascading into the streets like the remnants of a forgotten painting. I stopped, bewildered, panting as the reality around me faded into an ephemeral mist. The city's essence slipped through my fingers, leaving only the bare husk of what might have been. Awaking abruptly, I tried to grapple with the fragments of my dream. The city, vibrant and alive, felt as if it were calling from a distant realm, a place that existed somewhere beyond the borders of consciousness, waiting to be explored once again.